In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off NSFW on Reddit. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and on Reddit it usually refers to posts that may contain adult, graphic, or otherwise sensitive content. If you're using Reddit in a shared space, at work, around family, or you simply prefer not to see this kind of material, it's a good idea to turn NSFW off in your settings so that this content is hidden or blurred by default. First, open the Reddit app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. On the app, this might look like a small avatar or your profile picture. On the website, it may appear as your username or a little character icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu where you can access your account options. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where Reddit keeps most of the controls for your account, including privacy, notifications, and content preferences. Take a moment to let the page load fully, especially if your connection is a bit slow. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Profile. On the app, you might need to scroll a little or tap on a tab that says Profile. On the website, it's usually listed on the left side or as one of the main sections. Click on Profile to open all the settings related to how your account behaves and what kind of content you see. Within your profile settings, you'll find an option related to NSFW content. Depending on your version of Reddit, this may appear as a toggle or switch. If NSFW is currently enabled, that means Reddit is allowing you to see content marked as not safe for work. To turn NSFW off, simply toggle this option so that it is disabled. When it's off, Reddit will stop showing you NSFW content by default. After you change the toggle, wait a second for the setting to save automatically. There usually isn't a separate save button, but if there is, make sure to click it. Once that's done, your feed should be much cleaner, with NSFW posts hidden or prevented from appearing. That's all there is to it. By adjusting this one setting, you can make your Reddit experience more comfortable and appropriate for your environment.